Now discuss some conceptual question answer in metal and non-metal based in icse class 7. Now discuss give the reason magnesium is used in manufacturing firework. Magnesium is one of the alkaline earth metals and is one of the most common element in the earth crust. In its pure form, it is silvery white and relatively soft. It burns in air with a brilliant white light, and for this reason is often used in flares and firework. Show the picture, explain this question, that is white color. Show the picture. Okay, thank you. Give the reason the preference of gold is making jewelry. Okay, gold is one of the least reactive metal. Okay, it generally does not react with oxygen, water, or acid and loses its luster. Okay, gold is also very ductile and malleable. Therefore, it is used for making jewelry. This is the picture support this question. Okay. Give the reason chlorine is due to sterilized water. To prevent contamination with germs, water companies add a disinfectant, usually either chlorine or chloramine, that kills disease causing germs such as Salmonella, Campylobacter, and Norovirus. Show the picture using this question. Okay, thank you. Give the resin, that is coating of wheel rims and tapped with chromium. Okay, answer: chromium is plated on objects like carpet, bathtub, kitchen gas burners, bicycle handlebars, wheel rim, etc. to make them scratch resistance. Okay, show the picture supporting this question. Okay. Give the reason stainless steel is used in the making of cooking utensil. Okay. Non-reactive surface, unlike aluminum and iron, stainless steel is a non-reactive metal. It means you can cook acidic food in stainless steel utensil without affecting the flavor of the food and without damaging the surface of the metal. Show the picture supporting this question. Okay.